Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the AirTag shell, the metal cover, and a fresh CR2032 battery. Place them on a clean, flat surface. First, inspect the battery for the plus marking and check the inside contacts for grime. Once done, position the battery in the recess with the positive side facing out so it aligns with the metal spring contact. This orientation powers the tag. Make sure the gasket seats evenly around the rim so the cover will sit flush without forcing it. Now press the battery down straight into place. You should feel firm contact but not excessive force, which prevents bending the spring. Next, align the 3 metal cover tabs with the matching slots on the plastic body and start a gentle clockwise twist. This engages the locking tabs. As you rotate, watch the gasket. Once it seats evenly, stop turning. If the cover resists, back off and recheck alignment rather than forcing, because proper seating prevents future water and dust ingress. Finish by pressing the metal cover gently and completing the final clockwise twist until it sits perfectly flush with the body. Stop when you encounter the locking resistance. Then test the AirTag by bringing your iPhone close. Listen for the tone and confirm it appears in Find My so you know it's powered and paired. If it doesn't respond, remove the cover, reseat or replace the CR2032, and clean the contacts with a dry cloth. A dirty or misaligned contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.